Many people are saying that Christmas is for children, but how can a child truly say that this season is for him if he is facing one great challenge at a very young age? Join me as I discover what's inside a house this Christmas.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong mahuli.
Christmas is a season when children become excited to receive gifts and toys. But in Child House, children do not ask for material things. They only ask for simple joys. Established on October 2003, the Center for Health Improvement and Life Development, or Child House, serves as a temporary shelter for indigent patients suffering from cancer who have no place to stay in Metro Manila while undergoing medical evaluation or treatment. It was established by celebrity hairdresser philanthropist Ricky Reyes and was later adopted by Hans C. Sr. At Child House, most cancer patients are children who still try to see the bright side of life despite their medical condition.
We have children and parents staying here in the Child House kasi hindi naman pwede magpapagamot yung mga bata na wala silang kasama at ito ay kanilang temporary home lang naman. Andito sila hanggat kailangan nilang bumabalik at pumupunta sa ospital para sa kanilang treatments, sa kanilang check-up, or para sa kanilang mga laboratory tests. So far okay naman ang mga bata, no? We try to keep them as healthy as possible.
Officials and staff of Child House give importance to the Yuletide season, and each year, the Christmas air can be felt not only in the place, but in the spirit of the people in the shelter.
Pag Pasko sa Child House, talagang masaya kasi maraming mga bisita, no? Pero maliban dyan sa mga visitors natin, meron din tayong parang may Shining Star na campaign ngayong Pasko. So, kung makikita mo, marami tayong mga parol, and itong mga parol na to, you can write your name there and your greetings, and you can promise any amount.
Many stories of pain, struggle, and challenge enclose in Child House, but people in the shelter, both kids and parents, try to maintain a positive outlook in life. Most of the parents of the children with cancer staying at Child House were forced to quit their jobs in order to accompany their children during medical treatment. Two parents, along with their children Vincent and John, told us their stories of struggle and how were they able to cope up.
Dati po nagpipintura po ako ng mga bahay.
Ngayon po?
Hindi na ako nakakapasok sa trabaho kasi ako nang kasama ng anak ko sa ospital.
Paano po nasusustain yung pagpapagamot
Ni Vincent po?
Oo, ni Vincent.
Humihingi po kami ng mga medical assistance po sa mga senador po. Sa DSWD po.
Sa ngayon, wala na akong trabaho kasi 2008. Dati, laborer ako sa construction. Tapos, nung ma-diagnose ito sa probinsya namin, nirefer kami ng doktor na dito sa Manila kasi wala pong chemotherapy din sa Bisaya. Kaya simula nung wala na akong trabaho.
So, paano po yung pagpapagamot kay?
Humingi din po kami ng tulong sa mga kung saan po pwede makahingi ng tulong, saan may mga pondo sa ospital namin para makakuha kami ng gamot. At saka dito rin sa Child House, tinutulungan din nila kami.
The parents meantime shared how they celebrated Christmas last year and their plans for this year's celebration.
Paano po kayo nag-celebrate ng Christmas last year?
Last year dito po kami sa Child House. Masaya naman dito kasi nagkasama sa amin din kami mga magulang, mga pasyente. May mga game din kami dito. Kahit paano nakakalimutan din namin minsan yung problema namin sa pasyente.
Kayo sir, paano kayo nag-celebrate ng Christmas kung nakaraan?
Bali, ngayon pa lang kami magki-Christmas dito sa Child House. Ngayon lang May 2014. Bali sa probinsya pa kami ng nakarang.
Pero kamusta po yung Christmas niyo nung last year? Ano pong ginawa?
Kumain lang kami ng konting, nagluto kami ng konting yung pansit, konti lang kasi wala naman kaming
Ang bali, plano namin na uwi muna kami sa pamilya namin kasi ilang taon na rin kami hindi naka-celebrate kasama ang mga kapatid niya, buong pamilya kami Bali. Uwi muna kami ng Bisaya, doon na kami magpapasko muna.
At present, financial and medical assistance are needed by the children currently staying in child house.
Parating kailangan ng mga bata financial support for their medications. Some of the children though, meron naman silang mga support na nakukuha nila sa ibang mga organizations or institutions. Pero napapansin namin na parati itong kulang sometimes. Kasi aside from chemotherapy treatment, they need laboratories, they need minsan kahit pamasahe, papunta doon sa hospitals nila.
It was already a common tradition for Filipinos to bring their kids to their ninongs and ninangs or godparents during Christmas. Kids commonly await for their Christmas presents, which are usually toys, shoes, and clothes. But the children in child house keep their wishes simple, not material things, but lasting moments and chances.
Anong Christmas wish mo?
Sana po makasama ko po yung mga kapatid ko. Sa Pangasinan po.
Anong Christmas wish mo?
Sana po gumaling na kaming lahat.
Gusto sabihin kay Daddy at kay Mami?
Maraming salamat po sa pag-alaga niyo po sa amin. I love you.
These children's life stories are a reminder for us that no matter how big challenges may be, life still goes on. This Yuletide season, let us not forget to be thankful for all the blessings that we have and thank Christ who made all these things possible. I'm Rach Marquez, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.